Oh yeah, my new satellite dish. Just had it installed yesterday. I'm excited. Technician came, set it all up. Very nice job, very professional. He did a nice job explaining how it all works. But there was one thing that I was concerned about, and you may have seen the commercials, that if there's any problems with the dish, it's going to cost $95. So they joke around about animals making nests or whatever, and he said that's exactly what's going to happen. If there's a problem, they have to come back and realign it. It's going to cost $95. So I got to thinking, well, I don't want that to happen because all the ice and snow up here in the Northeast, this is going to cause a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a picture of all the settings that are here, and I'm also going to take a permanent marker and I'm going to mark out where everything is set. So in the event that that does happen, I may get lucky enough and have this work again without having to call them first. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let's go ahead and first and get a couple of pictures of where this is set. And let's get one of this one down here as well. Alright, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a mark on this. So in the event that this goes out of whack, I can at least get it lined up as best I can with a permanent marker. And if it doesn't work, then I'll call the satellite company. So we got one right there, and I'll put one right here. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put one in here as well. Now with those three marks, I should be able to get this roughly back to where it needs to go. All right, well there it is. So if everything goes well, if ice and snow come down here and knock this out of kilter, I should be able to go in there and line those marks up that I had and get back up and running. If not, then it's going to cost me $95. So good luck with your satellite, and if I do have a problem with this, I will give you a full update on it. Thanks an awful lot for watching.